All right, welcome back for another video in today's marathon recording session, I should say. And we see the return of Rebel Studio, I think is the channel's name. It's awful, don't go there. But so I did a couple videos on this guy in the previous recording marathon, and yeah, he's quite something. So in the comments on my videos, a few of you had names for him that I appreciated. So Maxine Kennedy called him Wurzel Gummidge, which I liked. And then the rest of you went with King of the Hill characters. And so there was a Dale Gribble, although I think if he were Dale Gribble, he'd be more of a Rusty Shackelford, the of course being the alter ego pseudonym of Dale Gribble. And then someone called him Boomhauer, and I think Boomhauer is too respectable. And so uh, basically I said, you know, if he's a King of the Hill character, as much as it pains me to say it, he's lucky. And it really does pain me to say that because I'm a huge Tom Petty fan. And so to even compare this guy to a character that Tom Petty voices pains me, but I think it's the most accurate. So either way, for those of you who are new here, I'm Joe. I'm an attorney licensed in Utah, and we're gonna watch his video. I This is my first time seeing it, so I really don't know what to expect other than sheer stupidity. Even the title gives me vibes of sheer stupidity because it is refusing to give me what they are by law, the affidavit of recusal form. So that's a wonderful run-on sentence, non sequitur, just awful. But I'm guessing, I'm guessing, like I said, haven't seen it yet, but I'm guessing that he is at the courthouse trying to get the judge on one of his traffic cases recused. So let's jump into it and see if I'm right.
All right, I'm going in to see if I can get the motion of recusal printed out since they don't keep the forms here.
Maybe don't use a form. If you want a motion of recusal, write it. You don't need a form. I wouldn't use a form, but then I know what I'm doing.
I'm gonna get a motion of recusal. A motion of mens rea printed out to you.
Oh God. He wants a motion of mens rea. I've already this is already a stupid overload. The video's 3 minutes and 58 seconds long. Can I get through it without dying of stupidity? So for those of you who don't know, there is no such thing as a motion of mens rea. Mens rea is a legal term. It's a legal concept. So basically, in criminal law, there are two components to crimes. There's the actus reus, which is the basically the action of committing the crime. And then there's the mens rea, which is the mental state required to be convicted of the crime. And so, like, let's say driving without a license, which is probably the case he's trying to get this motion of mens rea on. The actus reus would be the physical act of driving without a license, or driving an unregistered vehicle, or driving 70 in a 65 like he was in the first video we watched with him. But the actus reus, or sorry, that was the actus reus. The mens rea would be the intent. So there's a couple different levels of mens rea. So that there's basically intentionally doing something. I'm gonna get this wrong. It's been a while. There's reckless. There's what is it? There's negligent, and I think there's one more. It's like I say, it's been a while, and let's see. I think there's knowing, because for some, and of course, when I give this list, that's off of the model penal code, which most states haven't adopted, so they're going to have their own. But so, like, there some crimes, it's, knowing and voluntary, you did this, or you negligently did this. And so that's a very poor explanation of what mens rea is and the levels of it. And so basically, like, for murder, it's the mens rea that separates first degree murder from second degree murder from manslaughter. So that's maybe a little better explanation.
Yeah. I don't believe they keep that either.
Of course they don't keep that either. It's not real. Excellent camera work, by the way. Upside down vertical.
No. I need the motion of recusal form. I need to print it out.
But you came back yesterday, right?
Yeah, they could have printed one out because they said they don't keep them.
Oh.
And so over here. All right.
Oh. Yes, sir.
All right. I need the motion of recusal printed out.
Is it for a misdemeanor or a felony?
Misdemeanors.
It just needs to be plugged in and placed it with the tablet.
Yeah, for anybody to inspect.
Yeah, it's a form.
We don't have those forms here, sir.
Yeah, I know. I just need to print it out.
You just need to print it out.
Yeah, I know I can print it out because I looked it up. And, I mean, if I can't get it from y'all, who's supposed to be here for us, I'm gonna have to go to spend money at the library to get it printed out. I mean,
so they provide you a resource, presumably on the court website, but you think it's their job to print things out for you, so you don't have to spend money to print it at the library. I mean, just knowing this guy, he complains about taxes. I guarantee I doubt he pays taxes, but he complains about taxes, as a good sovereign citizen would. So who exactly does he expect to pay for the courthouse to print this? And frankly, they could charge him a fee. You know, I've had to pay $20 to get the DVD or CD or whatever with the dash camera and you know, the arrest report for clients. If they charge me for discovery, they can charge you to print a form that they don't have to do. That they don't even have to provide it for, like, they don't have to provide the template form on the website. Like I said, you can type out a motion. It's real easy. I mean, I'd love to hear his grounds for recusal, but it's real easy. Lucky, the defendant in this case, moved to recuse the judge for these reasons. It's supported by this law. Signed, Lucky. It's that easy.
Either way, it can get printed out.
Give me just a moment, because I think we may have to charge you for it here too.
A lawyer told me when they called me when I asked them about it, said that y'all don't charge.
Let me go ask about this real.
Oh, well, the lawyer that talked to you, he's in charge of whether or not the court clerk's charged for printing. That makes sense. I apologize for the view up his nose.
These places, they work all together.
Wait. These people, they all work together to screw people. So you mean the court clerks work for the court? I'm shocked. Just absolutely blown away.
Okay, I spoke with my supervisor and we can't print it out for you here. We're only allowed to give you documents that have been filed in the case. But she did say that you can go to the library and you should be able to print it out over there. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. But it would be great if y'all would keep that information because y'all are supposed to have it so people can get it.
Wait. Y'all are supposed to have it so people can get it. Sovereign citizens love saying, if it's not a law, you know, policies don't count. Policies are not law. Supposed to isn't a law. So show me the law. Show me the law saying they're supposed to have a motion for recusal available for you. Because to me, that sounds like you're expecting legal assistance from the court. And we all know, sovereign citizens especially, you can't practice law from the bench. Sounds like if you're getting help from the court, that's practicing law from the bench.
I know nobody in this town knows about that stuff. That's not right. A lawsuit could be pending.
Wait. A lawsuit could be pending. So you're going to sue because the court clerk won't print something off for you. You're going to sue. What are your damages going to be? The 5 cents that it costs you to print it at the library? Oh. All right, that's the end of that. That's just, once again, I'm speechless from the dumb. So I think with that, I'm gonna have to leave you and regroup for the next video. So please like, share, subscribe, do all the fun YouTubey stuff, and I will see you next time for the, well, final video I'm recording tonight, which will be out tomorrow. So thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.